Hello students, from the lesson titled A Sound of Thunder, we have these words Annihilate. In general, this word is pronounced annihilate, isn't it? Caveman, delirium, 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 fondle, fondle, expendable, expendable. This is the common way in which we pronounce these words with the knowledge we have. But we have on the other side, you could see some special symbols arranged in a group. In English, this version or practice is called transcription. Each English word is properly set and rooted with the help of some symbols in English. The symbols actually are 44 in English. This was discussed in the previous video, one of the videos of silent letters. The symbols help us learn and utter each sound in the word, where to stress and where to release the stress. This is called phonetic transcription. This topic will be there exclusively for you at an intermediate level. There we will discuss all aspects. Now, this is annihilate. The moment when we take a look at the word, we pronounce that way. But what does this transcription say? And what do we learn from this? On the other side, again, in the bracket, we have the part of speech. This particular word belongs to a particular category of parts of speech. What is that part of the speech? Three things we will be learning from this glossary part of the lesson, A Sound of Thunder. Let's take a look at this. This is pronounced a, naya, an a, common symbols, a, in, I, a. This is diphthongal glide and this is diphthongal glide and this is the short vowel that comes under pure vowels category. So it's consonant now and this is consonant again. This is I and this is A and these two symbols formed A and this is consonant again. This is consonant. This is consonant. This is L, N, L, T. Now let's combine all the sounds. And how about this? This looks like the reverse E. If you write E like this, it's like reverse one. But actually, we have to remember as it is, it's actually not A, but it's pronounced that way. Not exactly A, it's a slant variation. Now let's combine all the sounds. Anaya, annihilate, annihilate. And now there is a mark. This is called stress mark. In order to emphasize on one of the sounds, how many syllables are there? Annihilate. There are at least 4 to 5 sounds for syllables being present in this particular word. Now we have to stress on this na sound, then it will become clear. Annihilate. But how is it pronounced actually? Annihilate. H sound, that ha sound is not present in this. So this is very important to learn phonetic transcription, which helps us a lot to fix some problems in pronunciation. Now please do repeat after me. Annihilate, annihilate, annihilate. This is a verb. Next. This is again diphthongal glide. Two symbols form one sound like this. Please remember and do write down in your books. This is very important. A. This is called A. This is pronounced A. Not A. Don't make it so bigger and very rough. It's very tiny and very decent utterance. Like A. A. So K. It's constant. K. And V. And M. And of course it is an. Caveman. But there is a stress mark. So we need to stress on this. Caveman. caveman, caveman. It's a noun form. Next, let's find da sound, and again a sound has come, and this is e sound, and this is again e. We write like this, and again a sound and m. It's not, when it is pronounced. How do you say delirium? We tend to say it's like delirium. It is not delirium. It is not a day, but it is because of this short vowel, pure vowel. It's a, so it becomes da, da, delirium, 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 not delirium, delirium, not yeah. It's delirium, delirium. Now, where is the stress mark? It's present here. Deli, re, delirium, delirium. Can you say that? Delirium, delirium. Right. FONDLE, normal pronunciation is fondle, common convenient way of saying. But when we learn phonetic transcription, we would little change. It's, this symbol is a very special one. It's closely related to a, but it's second a, like oh, 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 oh. It's fa sound, na sound, da sound, l sound. If you look at this, friends, we say fondle, not dill. We might probably say fondle, but we don't find this. It's like d and l, short ones. It's for, not fa, for, fondle. The stress is on fa sound, so we have to stress and make it louder. Fondle. At the end, the sound comes down. Fondle, fondle, fondle. It's a verb form. Next, expendable, expendable, expendable. This is the common way of saying. When we connect all the letters, this is how we say. But is it so? According to phonetic transcription, it's a sound again, and it is also a, and this is a. We learned here, and this is in the bracket, which means it is optional. We might use or not. It's up to us. Now it's like b and l. So two sounds come side by side very quickly. Let's say expand, 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 bill, expandable, expandable, not panda, expanda, expandable, expandable. Can you say that? Expandable, not expandable. Don't say bull, it's expandable. It's an adjective form. Now let's do the drill once. Do repeat after me. Annihilate, caveman, delirium, fondle, expandable. Number 6, incredible. Our general pronunciation is incredible. 7, malfunction, malfunction. Number 8, quaver, quaver. Number 9, remit, resilient. This is the common way and our habit, which is very predominant. But let's take a look at the phonetic transcription. There is a stress mark in this. Increda. Look at this symbol. It's a sound. Increda. But here, incredi. We use this sound. Incredible. Incredible. But it doesn't come like that. Incredible. 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 Malfunction. According to phonetic transcription, mal, stress mark is there on fa sound. Mal, fa. This is again a sound. How many a's you have got in this? This is this other one. It's direct a sound, like amma, a. Mal, funk. This sound is ng, ng. In Telugu, it is called anunasikamu. In Telugu, it is called anunasikamu. We have some anunasikamulu. Anunaskamulu. Through the nostrils, we pronounce the sounds. Ng, ng. This is that one, not n. And ka sound. And this, the one which looks like s, big, small. The tall s. It's actually sh, sh means sha sound. So malfunction. And here there is no a sound between sha sound and n sound. So it is not function. It's function. You have to say like this, function at the end. Malfunction, malfunction, malfunction. It's a word, and here it is quaver, but it is the phonetic. This diphthongal glide. Two sounds make one sound. Two symbols make one sound. Actually, it is similar to this a. It's k plus va sound qua, que, que. But here we say qua. That's wrong. This is right. Que. Can you try? Que. And again, R sound is present. Va. But here we have R sound. When we say this one, usually it is quaver. Quaver. But that's wrong. The right one is quaver. 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 The part of speech is verb. Again, remit, remit. Here we just say re, but according to phonetic transcription, that's wrong. It's actually again a sound. It will become ra, ra, ra. It's a, a. What is the difference between this and this? It's a. This is a, 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 a. You try and then you will feel it. Ra, ra. There is a stress mark here. It's ma sound, m, and this is e. Remember, this is just like I. It's actually e sound. Remit, mit, mit, remit, remit, remit. It's a verb form. The last one, resilient, 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 or sometimes people might also say resilient, but that's wrong. It's again not re. When we have this r plus e, we usually say re, but it's actually ra, and this is a sound. So plus a, ra, and the stress mark is present here. This is z, z, li, and this is diphthongal glide, resilia. This diphthongal glide is actually e o. You have to just say like that, e o, e o. We have 8 diphthongal glides. One of them is e o. Now, how do you say l plus e? For instance, l plus e, it will become li. Again, we have a. So, do you pronounce this like this? Li a, li a. Now, you connect all the sounds. Ra, z, lia, li a, not liya. It's li a. Very distinctly, very clearly. You have to separate these two sounds. Resilia, resilia, resilia. Stress is on za sound. So, re, z, li, a, n, t, n plus t become int. Resilient, 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 resilient. It's an adjective form. Number 11, revoke. Our pronunciation is revoke. STERILIZE, sterilize. 13, THROTTLE, throttle. 14, VERDICT, verdict. 15, WRIGGLE, wriggle. Of course, W is silent. But what does this phonetic transcription say? And what are we going to learn? Let's take a look at this. Revoke. But here, let's find diphthongal glide. This is O. In Telugu, this one of the letters in Varnamala. Revoke. But this is stress mark. Revoke. 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 It's a verb form. Basic pronunciation sterilize, but according to the standard pronunciation, stress mark is on sa sound. Sta. This is a. Here it is steri, but it is not steri. There is no e sound. This is a. So stera. We can write like this, but in pronunciation we have to twist it a little bit, stera, stera. And this is diphthongal glide. Probably you can remember this way. It's I, not I, I, not high. I. Sterilize, sterilize, sterilize. It's a verb form. THROTTLE, throttle. But according to phonetic transcription, this is, remember another sound. This is tha. Maybe you could represent this in Telugu like this. Tha, 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 ta, tha. Second tha. This is tha, r, and this is again R sound. I have described this, and till. Now stress is on tha sound. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Oh, how do you pronounce this? Oh, oh, throttle, throttle, throttle. But here we simply say throttle, not till. Here it will become like this, till. But here if you look at this T and L, no vowel sound between these two consonants, so it's not till, it's t and l. Throttle, throttle. It's a verb form. Next, verdict. According to phonetic transcription, we have a new symbol. It's r. Small r sound on the top, and it is again one of the A's. Okay, one of the A sounds. And stress mark is on the first syllable. It's va sound. Ver, ver, not ver. Ver. Can you say that? Ver, ver. Now, in order to bring this kind of sound, we have to use this symbol. It's verdict. Simple. Verdict. Not verdict. 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 It's a verb form. The last one. WRIGGLE. We know that this letter goes missing. Of course, it is silent, not pronounced. Wriggle. But it's in this, we just say wriggle. It's like that. But in this, stress is on the first syllable. Wriggle. Wriggle. Like this, you have to pronounce. Wriggle. 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 Let's do the drill once. Revoke. Sterilize. Throttle. Verdict. Wriggle. Keep learning and do pronounce always. All the very best.